Nilikuwa natafuta kipenzi cha maisha yangu, sasa mie nauliza nianze wapi? Maumivu machungu mengi yanitazamia, Giovanni sinalia, nirudie, nipe uwezo wa kusimama imara juu ya neno lako. Uwezo wa kusimama imara juu ya neno lako. What's up guys, it's Robe with another piano tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Uwezo. It's also an easy song. It's very beginner friendly. So if you're at your early stages of playing, or rather learning how to play the piano, this one shouldn't be a hard one to learn. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know on the comment area. So without further ado, let's zoom in right after this. This song is in the key of G sharp, though I'll show you how to play the song in the key of G. But if you do want to play it in the key of the original record, you can just transpose, one step and play the and use, all chords that I'm going to teach you. But just for those who are using, real pianos which you can't transpose, I'm going to teach you guys in the key of G, because I want it, to be a tutorial that anyone can use. So the progression of the song is 6. So it's 6, 5, 4, 1. The 6 is E minor. This is an inversion of E minor, first inversion of E minor chord. Then the D is the first inversion of the D major chord. The C is second inversion of the C major chord, and G is just the normal G. So we'll start with the E minor chord. So this is the first inversion of the E minor chord. So normally you'll hold the E from this position, normal E, then first inversion. So I am using my small finger and my ring finger to play note G, and then my middle finger to play note B and note E with my thumb. So that's E minor chord, first inversion. On my right hand, this is how you play the E minor normally, and then the first inversion of E minor you play it from this position. So I'm using my thumb to play G notes and my pointer finger to play B notes, my ring finger or my small finger to play the note E. So that's first inversion of the E minor chord. So the chord that follows is the 5 chord. So the 5 chord is an inversion of a D chord. So normally you'll hold the D here. So this is a normal D, then first inversion of the D. So I'm playing note F sharp with my ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. And on my right hand, normal D here, first inversion of the D chord. So D, F sharp with my thumb, pointer finger plays note A, and small finger plays note D, of small finger or a ring finger. So plays note D. So that's first inversion of the D chord. So the chord that follows is the 4 chord. So it's 6, 5, 4. So the 4 is of course the C, second inversion of the C chord. So so normally you hold C from this position. So C chord, first inversion, second inversion. So I'm playing I'm holding the G note with my small finger, and then C note with my pointer finger, and note E with my thumb. On with my right hand, C normal, an inversion, first inversion, then second inversion. So note G with my thumb, note C with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger or ring finger. And then finally we have the G no chord. So this is not an inversion, so it's just the normal G chord. So with my left hand, I am playing note G with my ring finger and small finger, note B with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. On right hand, note G with my thumb, note B with my middle finger, and note D with my small finger or ring finger. So that's D chord. So let me just give you a rhythm that you could use if you're a beginner, that is. So you could play it as you could count it as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. E minor, D, B. Sorry, E minor, D, C, G, G. Nilikuwa natafuta kipenzi cha maisha yangu. Sasa mie nauliza nianze wapi? Maumivu, machungu mengi yanatazamia. Jehova nisi nalia, nihurumie, nipe uwezo, uwezo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Uwezo, uwezo wa kusimama imara juu ya neno lako. Uwezo, uwezo wa kusimama imara juu ya neno lako. So that's how you could play or the song. So that's it for the tutorial. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.